So this is dry already. It got stuck to the freaking mold, but whatever, it's fine. It's gonna work with it. So you're gonna set it up like this. You're gonna cut around. Now my plan is to cut around wider, almost like this, wider. The bottom is gonna be blue, just like if it was in the ocean. Like that. So what we're about to do right now, we're about to mount our little house here. Because of this fish eye, they call it, might have some issue with it more, and then until I get that perfect trim, right? So that's what's gonna happen right now. Stay tuned, fellas. Here, and then set the first set of epoxy and then let it cure and look at it and then go from the wires are good before I should place them and then seal them and then find out later that, you know, something. It'll just automatically be more shinier to the eye. I'm gonna set up another blue coat and then on with the rest. Sand it down. You have to sand it down in order for it to grip. Or in the process of adding a third layer. So this is looking good. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Oh my god. Alright, so I got some for you guys. So once, alright, you guys will see. Y'all will see. As you guys can see, that's what I wanted like that. See that? Yeah. Why? Because this guy, this is just my mold. What's gonna happen is this guy's gonna be able to pull it out, pull it back inside, and show it off, you know? That's the whole point. So, why? Because these are coins, so these coins have a meaning once you flip them around. So I wanted to still have the meaning of his coins, you know, not just one side, so both sides. And then this guy, so I overlapped it a little bit because what I want to do this, right? So it looks like there's water flowing this way, you know, that way. And then also because there's a little light that's gonna be in the inside. did, I added a little bit of white in combination with the blue. That way it looks more like an ocean, you know. So yeah, it's just in the inside. That's for a different view. Yeah, so there we go. And the other guy's right here just waiting. Just waiting. Cooling area. So now it's cooled down. Look at that thing. So you guys will see. So we got it done. This is gonna be rose gold. Alright fellas, so here is the end result. That thing came out pretty nice. So right now what I'm doing, I'm just testing the carbonation. I'm cleaning the pipes with Coca-Cola. As we all know. So we got them patches. Look at that. Cheers, bro.